My name is Austin Gastellum. I work for First Class Transportation in Houston, Texas. I'm the Director of Maintenance for First Class Transportation. I've worked there for about 5 years, but I've been part of All Aboard America Holdings since 2012. And I started out as a tech in about 2004. I think the biggest priority today, and I think the Achilles heel for most locations, is going to be electrical training. Electrical has come so far from what it used to be with multiplexing. That is probably one of the biggest, if not the biggest priority for training. I think one of the biggest training gaps is newcomers coming into the business. There's a lot of complicated systems in a motor coach, and just being able to walk them through and get them comfortable with everything. So air conditioning, electrical, air systems are probably the big three. I think this in particular emissions and the difficulties that everyone's going to feel in the future as new EPA standards roll in, what those repairs are actually going to look like for not just small companies, but big ones. Parts availability is probably one of the biggest hinders to productivity in the shop. Support from our vendors is probably one of the biggest helps to productivity, whether it be locating parts that are on back order or just general technical assistance. Answering the phone, I think just having an abundance of information available at any time at our fingertips. Be patient, take your time, and become a master at what you do.